In this lecture, I want to repeat the previous attack, creating a malicious app and send it to the victim. And once he install it and run it, I need to have access to this to his device. Same way, except this time I need to have access through Armitage, not through the command line. Now everything will be done the same way. I mean, you're gonna create the fake app the same way you did. And the second part, if you remember, let's open the file that has the step. The attack consists of two different parts. First part was to create the payload. And we saw how to create the malicious using the MSF Venom, how to create a malicious code and name it any name you want and put it a payload inside, which was Android, Meterpreter, reverse TCP. And second part that we did on the previous lectures was to create a handler. So the change here will be the handler command, which are those commands, will be written into Armitage. So as you can see, I use the same command, exact command, copy and paste. I put use multi-handler and then set the payload and then set the L host and set the L port and then type exploit. So I repeated the command, but this time I repeat it here into Armitage. Now the app, I already copied to my mobile device under the name of app2. Let me show you the app. So the app has been copied here, app2. And now let's see. So to summarize, I did the same steps like previous time, except the handler has been running from Armitage. Now, if you are not aware of Armitage, please get back to my Armitage introduction lecture into the exploitation section and see how to use Armitage and how to run Armitage. It's exactly like Metasploit, except it's graphical. So let's see. I'm going to open now my file manager, and I put it inside a folder called MP3, as you can see on my SD card, and I'm going to run it. Of course, you're going to say, like, you know, this is from an unsource. Click on OK. And he's saying that he's going to have access to everything on your device. Next. Now, most users, you know, they are familiar with such messages. And click on install. And once it's finished, click on open. Now, let's see what will happen in the Armitage screen on our left side. Okay. Here you go. So we are getting full access on the device. And instead of typing command, you just can right click here and go to the Meterpreter and do whatever you want. You can explore, you can see what file you have, you can show the process, you can interact, delete file, go to the Meterpreter shell and type the file. So you will be able to do everything you want on the device, but from the command line. Or you can still even do the regular command by typing here help, and you can do whatever you want from opening the cam or dump all SMS or dump all messages, contact, everything is there. Just copy and paste whatever you want and you'll be set to go. So this is how to get access on the Android device, but using Armitage.